guys! Now a lot of the times we find ourselves working alone and using one hand to steady the piece and the other to get the work done. We can't offer you extra hands, but we can go over all the gadgets that'll help keep your piece in place. First up are good old-fashioned locking pliers. These come in a variety of shapes and sizes and are adjustable to fit a wide range of material and can be locked in place once everything's where you want it, and a simple release lever releases your workpiece. Next up are magnets, and you've seen us use these all the time. These provide 45, 60, 75, 90, 105, 120, and 135 degree angles, and they don't attach to your workpiece until you engage them. These pivot angle magnets offer anywhere between 0 and 270 degree placement and are very strong. They easily held up 30-pound rock sliders while I was measuring for supports. Now, if you're working on a welding jig table, you've got a lot of the same basic tools. You've got your drop-in locking pliers, you have your ratcheting action clamp, and you have your basic C-clamp. You also have ball lock bolts and right angle brackets. In addition to that, you also have elevating brackets and drop-in adapters that fits tube stock or square stock. What makes this welding jig table work is the grid work of evenly spaced holes. Each tool has a drop-in stud that attaches it to the table so that your work won't move around. If you're riveting or putting body panels together, the gadget you want are Quicos. These act like temporary rivets. You insert them into your workpieces with your Quico pliers. And once you've riveted or spot welded your pieces together, you use the Quico pliers to remove the Quico. Now don't let the size of these little guys fool you. They are pretty strong. They can hold anywhere between 5 and 30 pounds each. So they make these guys perfect for helping hang our door panels. And last but not least, you got your self-tapping screw. These guys are your most economical option, making securing body panels and floor plans in place while you get your welds in. Now, while we couldn't give you an extra set of hands, these options are guaranteed to free yours up.